Welcome back, guys. So today's video will be installing this RGB LED lights around the room on the wall, and it's a set. So there's two strips, the instructions, the two strips, a remote control, and the connection. So we might be okay with one, but if we need another one, at least we have a set. So you can either buy one or just get two to be safe. If you can choose both, of course you can just find somewhere else to use the other strip. You just need to connect the ends, and if you find a similar one, it's going to be easy. So let's get to it. First things first, we need to wipe around. We just need to wipe the corner just to be sure that it's clean enough. So I can use, or rather you can use regular wipes, a wet cloth, alcohol wipes, whatever you choose, and let it dry up for a few minutes and then proceed.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. A song we're far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
After cleaning up, next step would be testing out the strips to see if they're working, just to be sure they're working. So just need to take some of this tape off. Try it out over here using this socket. Yes, that one works. We can connect it to the other one. Oh, we can connect it here. That one works too. And as you can see, since the connection is a dual connection, we can actually tape this on the wall going to one side and tape the other one going the other side. And so, but I think we can try one first. It's not a big room, so this might be enough. So let's get on with it and see how far one strip goes.
Running to you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good.
So we'll connect this on the socket, and then so again we'll connect this on the socket, and then this part on the wall with the tape, And then the strip from here, we just take out the tape and then tape the strip on the wall as we go, as we open it up. And you just need to press it in firmly on the wall this way as you go, and stretch it so that it can, you know, spread or rather dissipate the light correctly. So again, make sure you take the tape. Do not take this tape out before you do anything. Just take it out as you go so that you don't lose any, you know, adhesive left.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
So that strip was more than enough. I even had enough to double up this top portion over here. So as you can see, all the way around, I think it fit in perfectly. So I have this sealed up. Probably can be used in another room, or I don't know if I need to buy another this part so that I can be able to use it in another room. So I still have one more that I need to do, so I can, I'll just go ahead and do the other room, and then once it's dark enough, we can get a video and see see how it looks at night, or rather in the dark. And then we can look at the settings over here, play around with it, link it up with the phone, and see the different modes it offers. Installation done. Both rooms are now ready. You can see it's running around pretty nicely. I can actually turn off the lights and just turn it on so we can see how it looks. Yep, there we go. I think this is the brightest. You can turn it down. Yep, I think that looks nice. I think when you're sleeping, you probably prefer this. So let's check the other room. Here we go. Perfect. Turn off the lights. Yeah. You can see that corner. Drag the fade. I mean, this is also perfect for a gaming room. Yep, we can turn it down too. And I think we're good. They do have instructions if you wanted to use your phone. I think you can get the app, and instead of using the remote control, you can actually use your phone to just control the. I think it has the same functions as the remote control. If you wanted to add music to and whatnot, so it's a good thing that comes with it. Yep. And so if you did enjoy the video, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.